Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Okay, so to draw a fish, the first shape was the body. And what shape should we use for the body for a fish? Yes, oval. And what shape should we use for the head? These are our shapes, remember? Circle, rectangle, triangle. Triangle, that's right. So we're gonna use a triangle. And what shape should we use? So this is our big shape, this is our middle shape. And what shape should we use for our fins and our tail? Right? So you can draw any fish like this. Okay, so let's find a shark on the internet. Okay, do you guys see the circle? It's a big long oval. Right? You guys see the triangle? You guys see the triangle for the tail? Well, you can also draw a line straight if you need to. And then for the top fin, triangle. Triangle. Do a dot for the eye. Do a triangle here. Oh yes, we forgot the gills. So now we gotta add details, right? So remember, the first step is shapes. Second step is big, middle, and small. Third step are details. You can also add patterns. Yes. So you can add details and patterns on top of this.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.